In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find sent emails in Outlook. This is a basic but essential skill for anyone using Outlook, whether you're checking if an email was delivered, reviewing what you sent to someone, or just keeping track of your outgoing correspondence. If you've ever wondered where your sent messages go or how to quickly access them, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're in the Mail view by checking that the Mail icon is selected. If you're in Calendar, Contacts, or another section, simply click the Mail icon at the bottom left of your screen to switch to the Mail view. Now, look at the left side of your screen. This is where you will see a list of folders such as Inbox, Drafts, Deleted Items, and others. These folders organize your emails by category. Next, locate and click on the Sent Items folder. This is where all your sent emails are automatically stored after you send them. If you don't see the Sent Items folder immediately, it may be hidden or collapsed. Look for a small arrow or greater than symbol next to your account name or email address in the folder list. Click that arrow to expand the folder list and reveal all available folders, including Sent Items. Once you click on Sent Items, your sent messages will appear in the main pane in the center of the screen. By default, Outlook displays these messages with the newest ones first, so the most recent email you sent will be at the top of the list. You can scroll through this list to find any email you've sent, and you can click on any message to open it and view the full content, including any attachments or replies, and that's it. You've successfully found your sent emails in Outlook. It's that simple. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.